Hello everyone, welcome back. So in last video we learned about JavaScript technique that we can use to control over HTML element by using name. So today video we gonna learn about how you can access HTML element by using ID. So syntax is document dot get element by ID. In parentheses we give ID and we can do whatever we want to do with that element. Okay. So let's see how this thing works. Open our VS Code and set up your basic HTML structure, and let's take a division, and inside of this division we take image, and we can give a image to this. Now we can give width and height. Width, let's see, 150 pixel, and height 150 pixel, and I think that's it for now. And we can give a ID, we can say pick. So how we can access this one, we simply write inside of our script, we can say we can create a function. So what we want to do, when the body load, we can create an event, so which is on load is the name of the event, and when the body load it will trigger the function. So which function it is, we can say body load. You can give any name, but this is body load, so we can just give body load. And so now we can create this body load function. In our script tag we write function to define the function, and the function name body load parenthesis and curly bracket. And so what we want to do, when body load, we want to give a new image to this image tag. So right now it's woman one, right? So let's see how it is looking right now. So this is the image. Okay, so we would like to change it. So we simply can do is function load, we refer document dot get element by ID. What's the ID? ID is pick, so we can just pick. And what we want to access it, source. And now we have to give the path, so we can say let's copy this path, and we simply paste in here, and we just give woman 2. Now let's refresh our thing. Now the image has been changed. So this is how you access any element using element by ID. So other thing you can do also, like let's take another div. In that div we create a form, and in the form we create like username. Let's see, we take input text, and we take input type. Let's see, is button, right? Button. And let's see how it is looking. Yeah, right now it is that. Okay, so you don't see anything here, this is blank, right? So we can give value, let's say login. So right now it's saying login. Okay, so we want to change that, this one. So we can simply write another, we can give the ID to it. So ID equals to, let's see, like a login. Okay, so we can access that. Simply type document and get element by ID, and we type login. And what we want to do is we want to access the value. Value equals to, what we want to change is to register. So now you can see the login has been changed to register. So this is how you can access all the HTML element by using ID.